What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Naturally Nefertiti, also known as Sierra, and I'm coming to you with a Flexi rod tutorial on stretched hair. Get into it. So basically, I'm gonna be using Flexi rods to create a wand curl type look. And I'm starting on blow dried hair. If you would like to see how I blow dry my hair, check out the video up above in the card section. What you'll need today: combs, well, a comb. I am using the Smooth and Hold Pudding by ORS. There it is. I will also be using the Wrap Set Mousse by ORS. And then some Flexi rods. So these rods are really skinny. Don't know the exact size, but these are actually really long rods that I cut in half a really long time ago, and I still use them. So yeah, I like to use smaller rods to give me a tighter curl. So I've already sectioned my hair into 4 sections. I usually do about 5 or 6 rods per section. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to the whole section. Not a lot, because I don't want my hair to revert back, but I want to make sure it has some holes. I'm going to use like that much. Now I'm going to take small, medium sections, clip the rest away. Then I'm gonna add like half a pump of mousse, like that much, not a whole pump, because I don't want my hair to revert. Start at the ends, bring it up, comb that through, and then I'm gonna take my Flexi rod. I'm going to start at the ends, wrap my ends around, make sure those are secure, and then I'm going to do like a windmill motion and wrap up. And then I'll secure by bending the top down. And that's it. Let's see that one more time. Take a medium section, add half a pump of mousse, that much, maybe a little more. Start at those ends, wrap it up. Take a Flexi rod, and we're going to start at the end. Wrap the ends around, make sure they're secure. Then use a windmill motion. Let's wrap up. And this windmill motion is going to create that like wand curl kind of look. But you're not using any extra heat. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So a little bit of foam mousse, start at the ends and work it on up. Then I detangle, make sure ain't no knots and kinks. Take my Flexi rod, and I like to start at the ends and wrap the ends around first, like so. Then I hold my hair and twist my wrist. Hold and twist. Twist. And then I get to the top and I bend this part down to secure it. And it should look like that. like a little candy cane kind of. See? So I have in 21 Flexi rods, I believe. And I'm gonna let this sit overnight, put on my bonnet, and then I'll be back in the morning. Okay guys, so it's the next day. About to take out these twists. I'm gonna use some avocado oil on my fingers. I mean, it's not twists, you know, Flexi rods, those things. So I'm gonna show you a couple in the front, and then I'll be back when the rest is done. So avocado oil on my fingertips. Let's unwind. So I just do like the opposite motion. Oh, look at that pretty curl. Yes. Let's do another one. So again, opposite motion that you twisted it in, and you get a perfect little curl. Wow. Look at that. Alright, so I'll be back when the rest is taken down. So it's all taken down. Now I just put more oil in my hands to prevent frizz. Rub it in. Let's start right here. And I did like medium sections, so I do separate maybe like 5 or 6 times, depending on how big the section is. And if you think it's like getting frizzy, you can like twirl it around your fingers. Make sure you're like separating like where it naturally wants to separate as well. Look at these curls. Oh my god. It doesn't even look real. Wow, looks so good. I also cut my hair a little bit, so it looks a lot shorter than I intended, but I'm gonna go pick it out a little bit and I'll be back. So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it was helpful. Pictures will be on my IG. Until next time. Mwah.